This is Come Now Is the Time to Worship in the Key of C by Doerksen. So I hope you love it. As always, click on the description of the video below, and I do have the chord sheet for you to be able to print out and follow along with me. So in the key of C, we have three main chords, C, F, G, and then we have an A minor and D minor. So let's go through those real quick. C chord is C, E, G. F is F, A, C. G chord, G, B, D. Then we have our A minor, A, C, E. And then we have our D minor, D, F, A. Okay, so review. We have a C chord, F chord, G chord, A minor, and D minor. All right, so left hand is just going to play single notes. You can put thumb on C, line up your 5 fingers, and not move this hand the whole song. So you're just going to open up your C to the D, and that's the only way you have to move this hand, which is really helpful. So single note here with our chord up here. So C to C chord. Then we have F to F, G to G, A minor to A in the bass, and then we have our D minor up here, and we're just going to open our thumb up here to the D, so that D minor up here. Okay, so the rhythm that we're going to do to bring the two hands together is very simple. Together, right. Together, right. Together, right. Okay, now I'm going to add some vocals in. Come, now is the time to worship. I'm going to switch to the G chord here on the second line, excuse me. Come, now is the time to D minor. We're just going to open up. Give your F chord, heart, back to the C. Come, just as you are to worship. G chord. Come, just as you are, B. D minor. Open up that thumb here. For your F chord. God. C chord. Come. Okay, the verses go like this. F chord is going to be the start of that. One day every tongue will C chord. Confess you are God. One day every knee will bow. Still the greatest treasure remains for those who gladly choose you now. Together, right. Together, right. Real simple. And then verse 2 repeats verse 1 as well. So you're just doing that together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. And that'll get you through the whole duration of this song. Pretty simple. Chords don't really, you just have those same chords and the verses will repeat themselves. So have a lot of fun with this one. Come, now is the time to worship. Come, now is the time to give your heart. Come, just as you are to worship. Come, just as you are before your God. Come. One day every tongue will confess you are God. One day every knee will bow. Still the greatest treasure remains for those who gladly choose you now. Come, now is the time to worship. Come, now is the time to give your heart. Come, just as you are to choose to surrender.